Hello guys, we are doing a heater core on a 2013 Camry SE. It was a invisible leak, so you can see the coolant is coming out of the heater core. It's still wet. To get to this point, you need to take out the knee airbag, the side panels, the brake pedals, and disconnect the steering shaft to get to this point. It's not very tricky, so you can see the coolant is dried out, so it was leaking for a long time. I'm pressure testing the new heater core just to be safe. I tried to shove the heater core in, but I need to cut the tube, then make the adjustment. You need to take out the air intake box to get to this point. You can see I disconnected the steering shaft and marked it. And we can see the spirit pressure is still good.